I'm back. So, here in Alabama, ever since I moved here, I've learned they do these interesting things. One such thing they do here in Alabama is called Farm Day. So, we are going to Farm Day, and can't really see the screen very well, sorry. I thought I would bring you guys with me to Farm Day. It is in a part of, where did morning go, girl? I know, it's already the afternoon. It's in this building of Alabama A&M and the Agribition Center. There it is. And here, I'm going to show you the sign to prove to you that we're at Farm Day. Look at this, you guys.
Okay, if we go this way.
I even have my cowboy boots on.
Even has her cowboy boots.
This is legit. This is for real.
Hey there, cutie pie. There you go. Oh, wait. Go do it again.
Oh. I'm doing it again. I think my mom wants a picture, so hang on. I'm being cute again, hang on. While I'm periscoping, you guys are in the picture. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna go in. I don't know what to expect. Thank you. So, here we go. Going into Farm Day. I'm gonna turn the camera around. There's my mama. What? Oh, I didn't bring my jeans. So, tractor. There is a legitimate tractor here, you guys. Bunnies and chicks. There's bunnies and chicks. Old school country music playing. Just to give you a little feel as if you're here. It smells a little bit like a mixture. Oh, it could be because there's a fancy table run by the woman in camera over there. But it smells a little like...
Come on, little berry peeps, let's go see.
It smells a little like a mixture of cinnamon.
We'll show the ground.
It smells like a mixture of cinnamon and dirt and animals and chickens.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It's Mama C's apron. The big old cow on it. Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
These aprons with the cows on them.
And then I've got some hand towels to match some of this.
So you guys want to go see the animals? So guys, here's the animals. Here's the little bunnies. Aw, guys, look how cute these bunnies are. They're so cute. If you are not tuned in, you are missing out on some bunny loving. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Farm Day, I was skeptical, but look at these bunnies. Aww. You guys need to invite your followers just to see these bunnies. I didn't know they groomed themselves, but oh my gosh, I want one. It's mine. yeah, I was super skeptical of this farm day thing, but I mean, really guys? Bunnies are where it's at.
How are you?
Oh, this one.
Those are Vibers. It's kind of like
He's my friend. Oh, this one's turning around.
the chickens slightly. We've got some that don't really like being fed, and then we've got some yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. Hello. He's posing for you guys. Oh.
One that looks almost just like
That's an Easter egger. That's the one that lays green eggs.
we have one that she was sold to us as an Americana, but you know I know that's a big deal.
Well, I mean, that's what they are. Americana and Easter eggers are the same thing.
And then we bought some. A little back got some Welsumers.
Here's when it's
They
some
kind of
chicken.
have the same look to them.
Yeah, but Welsumers will give us spotted eggs.
Yeah, I got two. My first eggs yesterday from them. So I was
Awesome.
really cool. They're so little though. They got to grow up a little.
Yeah, they will. They will.
But the fizzle or whichever that is, they're wild looking.
Yeah, they are. It's pretty crazy.
The bunny's trying to look at me.
This little bunny. Hi, little bunny. Hello. Hi, little bunny. This little bunny is so cute. Hi, bunnies. Hi, bunnies. So I've been showing them the bunnies for a long time. Do you guys want to see the chickens? The chickens are like digging or something. They're not as cute, but I don't know, maybe you've never seen chickens. I don't know if I've ever seen chickens like this either. So, there's the chickens. I don't really know what this one's doing. And apparently, you guys, these were the eggs they laid. Right there. They actually laid those eggs. Those chickens. But yeah, you guys look at the bunny. Look at the bunny.
You want to take one home?
Okay, guys, the bunnies are my favorite.
Like I want to pet them, but I don't want to clean up around.
I love the bunnies. I don't know about the rest of this farm day thing, but those bunnies. Love them. Love the bunnies. Oh my gosh, guys, there's goats. Do you want to see the goats? I've showed you bunnies, I've showed you chickens.
This is from a goat dairy farm.
Let me go show you the goats. Dairy farm. Okay, guys, these are products from Screaming Goats Dairy Farm. Right there. Let me show you the goats.
Look at his collar.
Where is it? This is I'm in Alabama, and this is at Farm Day. I'm not from here, so this is new to me, you guys, but I just showed you bunnies and chickens, and these are goats. The kids are really enjoying it. It's really cute. They're really tame goats.
Here, buddy. Let's give you some of this.
Oh, hi. This one has sparkly collars. Oh, this one's a diva. I like the diva goat. Hi, Belle. His name is Belle. I mean, hello, Belle. Thank you for smiling for me. Oh, her tail's wagging. Hi, Belle. Aw.
Okay, really?
No. Oh, you're smiling for me too. They're all smiling for y'all.
We got a selfie. We got a selfie.
Did you?
How sweet
They're
is
all
that?
super good with the kids. It's so precious, you guys. These goats are from Screaming Goats Dairy Farm. Yeah, so far farm day, it's been interesting. I hear there's a horse somewhere.
There's a horse? Are you missing a horse?
And there's a tractor. And yeah, so
Have a farm that can be visited or?
it's interesting here in the South. Guys, here's the tractor. John Deere. Here's the tractor, you guys. Look at that. There's nothing more southern than yellow cowboy boots and a tractor. Yep.
Look at all the
That's
little
the
kids.
South.
They all want to get on the tractor.
Yeah, the little kids think that's like the most glorified vehicle in the
Let's go
world.
see what critters are over here.
I'm all into a Cadillac, something, you know, G6.
Is it a cow or a pig?
Oh, guys, we found another animal.
I'm not sure. It's a piggy.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's a pig.
It's a Dalmatian pig.
That looks
Oh
like
my
a
gosh,
Dalmatian.
it's a Dalmatian pig.
Oh, you guys. Okay, you guys, here's a pig. There's a pig, you guys. That's a very large pig. I just think of like Wilbur from Charlotte's Web, you know, like that is a mighty pig. Hello, pig. Hello. Are you saying hi? Alright, so I think that's all that pig's gonna do for us. But oh my gosh, look guys. We have got animal galore over here.
That's awesome.
She told you what she I think we have something. Okay, we've got a chicken here. We've got a beautiful bunny. Oh my.
Look, Chelsea's. Chelsea's a Dalmatian bunny.
Oh my gosh, look, my mom is petting this bunny.
Hey, look at his face.
Oh,
Look at that face. I'm the sweetest.
that is such a sweet bunny.
I'm the sweetest.
Oh my goodness. Oh. I wonder if it'll eat.
Want some? Want some? I should have brought some alfalfa with me. Yes, does that look yummy?
Happy bunny.
It's a happy bunny.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm gonna end up buying a bunny. Look at its little nose. Did you guys see that?
Oh, it wants my phone.
Wants
It loves
to be a
apple.
star.
It's an apple lover.
You guys, this bunny is a character. I love it.
Okay, I gotta get a selfie with the bunny.
My mom's taking a selfie with the bunny.
No,
But the bunny wants. Bunny wants the whole screen.
the bunny gave me a kiss.
The bunny wants the whole screen.
Hey, bunny, bunny.
Guys, look at these crazy chickens. These are definitely interesting chickens. Not your everyday chicken. This is an Easter bunny over here. Easter bunny. Look at those long ears. I love this bunny. Look at that bunny over there. Oh.
Feel this bunny, Chelsea.
Alright guys, I'm actually gonna pet the bunny. Guys, look. I'm petting the bunny.
You gotta get closer. There you go.
It is so soft, you guys.
It's like velvet.
It's like velvet but with long hair. Oh my god. Oh my baby. Oh, I want a bunny.
That is the bunny.
There's a bunny on the other side too.
I know, but I'm not.
Guys, look at this little one. Look at this little bunny, guys. Can I pet you? Oh, guys, look, I'm petting the bunny.
Do the bunnies? Hey, look. Levi, come here. There's some that you can pet right here. yeah, there's one. Oh, here's one.
Oh my gosh, guys. I want a bunny so bad right now. Look at this one. This one was making a little over-the-shoulder modeling debut.
This one is called a Silky.
Yes, I saw. I was showing them earlier.
That's a chicken.
Some more goat here. Oh, it's a baby goat. Guys, look at them.
There's more goats.
Baby goats.
Look at the baby goat.
Oh, wow.
He's just itching himself. Guys, look. They're baby goats.
See the goat?
Guys, how cute. They're babies.
Did you see the baby one?
The babies, guys.
Hi, baby goat. Hi, baby goat. Hi, baby goat.
It's teaching him how to eat.
Hi. How are you?
Hello. Billy Goat Crush. You look like a Billy Goat Crush. Okay, guys, I can't get over the little baby goats here. They're just the cutest. So we've got more bunnies.
Nothing like the Minecraft bunnies. How come they have red eyes?
We've got more bunnies, guys. And the bunnies, they look like they're having a little over there.
Those are the bunnies. Look. Hey, boys.
Yeah, they are. Go stand by and I'll take a picture. Look. Let's get closer to it. I can't get you.
This fluffy bunny. Hi, Fluffy bunny. Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Okay, Fluffy, you're cute. You're a cutie. Oh, hi, Fluffy. Guys, Fluffy likes me. Hi, Fluffy.
Yeah, the chocolate one was my favorite.
Okay, Fluffy is the cutest.
Yeah, I know.
See how fluffy?
That's a cat.
No, that's a bunny. It's a fluffy. It's a cat.
No, it's a bunny.
It's a bunny. Hey, fluffy bunny.
Fluffy likes me. He's right over to the camera.
The fluffy
Hey, Fluffy.
Oh, and the bunny.
You see Fluffy? He's so cute.
See that bunny? That's the size of my charity.
Oh my goodness, guys.
That's why it broke the bicycle.
I think those are called giant Flemish bunnies. You guys want to go see
Hey,
it?
what's up, baby?
I'll go show you.
These are the tamest bunnies.
They really are very, very tame. They're being so good with the kids. Guys, look at some of these bunnies over here. This is a very, very large bunny. Look at this. This is my hand in comparison. It's a very large bunny. Hi, bunny. Oh, look at this one. Hi, bunny. Hi, Mama. He wants some attention too. Hello. 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 Hi. That is so cute. You guys, let's go check out the giant Flemish. Oh, here's one. Oh, here's a chicken in the mix. That's different. Alright, hey little dude. I want to be in the selfie. I want to be in it.
Well, I don't know how to get you in it unless you're over there.
Okay. Guys, I'm going to be in the selfie. You want to taking this selfie.
Yeah, let's move this. We'll get that out of the way first.
Guys, look at this bunny.
Look at this bunny.
He's so big. He's so sweet. Let me show you how big he is.
His ear is the length of my hand.
Yeah, guys, look at that. Oh, he's the sweetest. He's bigger than my cat, you guys. Oh my goodness.
This was my charity, only my charity was black.
My mom,
I had a bunny this big, but he was black, and we named him Charity. When we got him, he fit in the palm of your hand.
oh my goodness. Oh, he's precious.
So gentle.
So gentle, yes, you are.
You know I want a freaking bunny, you guys. There's another one behind us.
Oh, that's a rabbit.
She's doing good. You're not getting a stink eye.
Guys, here's another one. Look how big it
She's
is.
a Flemish giant. You don't know that. He weighs about 7 about 6 feet.
Look how big this bunny is, you guys. Here's my hand. Oh my gosh, so soft. I know it doesn't look nearly as soft as it is. I'm trying to get it in the full camera. There we go. I love the little...
Look at the little tail.
Guys, this is like the size of a little dog. My cat is smaller than this.
Man, are you okay?
Oh, is this the Grand Champion? What
And she's a Flemish giant.
a Flemish.
A
Yeah.
giant Flemish.
There's a giant
Grand
Flemish.
champion. It's the Grand Champion.
What is she the Grand Champion of?
Rabbits.
Of all rabbits. This is
You
the
didn't know
Grand...
she lived in Alabama, did you?
Guys, this is the Grand Champion we're looking at right here.
Look at me, aren't I beautiful?
You're getting a great view right here of the Grand Champion of the world. Of the world. Look at that little nose, you guys. I can't get over how cute.
Her name
it
is Jordan.
Her name is Jordan. I think it said she was 16
16
pounds.
pounds.
She
And the
is
boys get a little bigger.
She's a Flemish giant. She's a female. The boy Flemish or giant Flemish get a little bigger, if you can imagine. But 16 pounds, yeah, that's definitely bigger than my little kitty cat. Oh,
Where'd you go?
there's my mom going to take another selfie.
She disappeared.
Let me take a selfie. All right, guys.
I'm trying to get it before her ears fall back down.
I was just in a picture with Bunny Champion. Oh, hi. Hello. It's a little intimidating when the bunny comes towards you, I have to say. No, you're fine. You're fine. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go because this farm day's got more to explore. I enjoyed it. You got it.
Look at this one.
Hi, darling. Look at those ears, Chelsea. Look at those ears. Yeah, I have quite the handsome pair of ears.
Oh, nibble in my fingers. You're hungry, poor thing. Looking for food. Thought my fingers were food, but it was really nice. It didn't hurt me.
Is that what you want? There you go.
Oh, so cute. Can't handle it.
And you're
Look
so
at the eggs.
beautiful, Grand Champion. 16 pounds. 16 pounds of beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, you are. You'll dress your
Oh, look,
food.
Mom, look. They trade them out.
Yeah, just
They have a feather.
But no, but don't stick your finger in there. She's taking a rest, okay?
They all take rest. They all switch them out. Ooh.
She's just looking at the camera to eat.
Jordan, you're beautiful, honey.
You're beautiful.
I like her hind feet, Chelsea.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at the hind feet. All stretched out.
Look how stretched out she is.
That's a Saturday pose.
About 16. Sweetie, no press.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Don't press down, just lay down. She going to sleep?
She was eating and enjoying her little self.
Finish that. Let's see, what's more?
She up there eating while she's playing.
You want some more?
Look at these feet, guys. Look
Yeah,
how
this is
cute
the way
they are.
to eat. Let's all lay on our belly.
They're famous for that.
This is a Saturday pose if I've ever seen one.
It's right
I'd
here,
like to
sweetie.
eat that way.
Do you see it? Yeah. Want some water?
Is that yours? That's my son's.
No, it's not mine.
It's my son's.
Look at you. You're so
Stretch
sweet.
it back out.
All right, say bye-bye to everyone, Jordan. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, guys, I'm
We
gonna
gotta
tune
go and
out
let
for
somebody
now.
else love on this money.
I'll check back in with y'all for Farm Day. Oh, so cute. Can't handle it.
And you're
Look
so
at the eggs.
beautiful, grand champion. 16 pounds. 16 pounds of beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, you are. You'll dress your
Oh, look,
food.
Mom, look. They trade them out.
Yeah, just
They have a feather.
But no, but don't stick your finger in there. She's taking a rest, okay?
They all take tests. They all switch them out. Ooh.
She's just looking at the camera to eat.
Jordan, you're beautiful, honey.
You're beautiful.
I like her hind feet, Chelsea.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at the hind feet. All stretched out.
Look how stretched out she is.
That's a Saturday pose.
About 16. Sweetie, no press.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Don't press down, just lay down. She going to sleep?
She was eating and enjoying her little self.
Finish that. Let's see, what's more?
She up there eating while she's playing.
You want some more?
Look at
honey?
these feet, guys. Look
Yeah,
how
this is
cute
the
they
way
are.
to eat. Let's
they're
all lay on
famous.
our belly.
They're famous for that.
This is a Saturday pose if I've ever seen one.
It's right
I'd
here,
like to
sweetie.
eat that way.
Do you see it? Yeah. Want some water?
Is that yours? That's my son's.
No, it's not mine.
It's my son's.
Look at you. You're so
Stretch it
sweet.
back out.
All right, say bye-bye to everyone, Jordan. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, guys, I'm
We
gonna
gotta
tune
go and
out
let
for
somebody
now.
else love on this money.
I'll check back in with y'all for Farm Day. Oh, so cute. Can't handle it.
And you're
Look at
so
the eggs.
beautiful, grand champion. 16 pounds. 16 pounds of beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, you are. You'll dress your
Oh, look,
food.
Mom, look. They trade them out.
Yeah, just
They have a feather.
But no, but don't stick your finger in there. She's taking a rest, okay?
They all take tests. They all switch them out. Ooh.
She's just looking at the camera to eat.
Jordan, you're beautiful, honey.
You're beautiful.
I like her hind feet, Chelsea.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at the hind feet. All stretched out.
Look how stretched out she is.
That's a Saturday pose right there.
Sweetie, don't press.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Don't press down, just lay down. She going to sleep?
She was eating and enjoying her little self.
Finish that. Let's see, want some more?
She up there eating while she's playing.
You want some more?
Look at these feet, guys. Look
Yeah,
how
this is
cute
the
they
way
are.
to eat. Let's all lay on our belly.
They're famous for that.
This is a Saturday pose if I've ever seen one.
Sorry,
I'd like to eat that way.
Do you see it? Yeah. Want some water?
Is that yours? That's my
No, it's not mine.
my son's.
Look at you, you're so
Stretch
sweet.
them back out.
Alright, say bye-bye to everyone, Jordan. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright guys, I'm gonna
We gotta
tune
go
out
let
for
somebody
now.
else love on this money.
I'll check back in with y'all for farm day.